John Dramani Mahama, the president of the Republic of Ghana, se Ghana fu nyina yenko ne yenko prapra san se ade eto ye no yesi sebe mprediasa ohwe ase ahu no ma hyehye ne eto ye nsu yiri na nipa etete nsu ani se mpata ne ade no yempese bi besi biem de nyina yenka ye homom na mienu yemfa mpepa kurom asrafo abambofo ahodo ni nyina ka ho me ye prapra kurom ani ade na oba Facebook behradia before se meka de se meka no behe we ye dustbin any polythene bags ya parking yasem ketwa after a national sanitation exercise yesi ya prapra kurom no bra behradia
made during the cleanup will depend on the timely evacuation of waste and equitable support for all flood victims. To clear the refuse before it is washed back into drains during future rainfalls. The gains made during the cleanup will depend on the timely evacuation of waste and equitable support for all flood victims.
Enti oba Facebooka adwuma no ayeye no yesi ya wura kurom ya tete gatam ya prapra kurom aboabo no ya boa no agyi agukwan mu ho edura de o maboa no wo nchen hei o hwe TV ya Facebook ade wo ni fa so yi ya boa no sa de agu gata no eso we kura de amfa ngu gata no ho gata no so se ensa mememu muram adwuma yeye no ye wieye no ewura no eda so egu ho. Days after national sanitation exercise, the municipal, metro, district assemblies, say, way we don't have to leave it there because ebesa same situation na ma ye ko prapra ho no ebesa esi ye gya ne ho na ba ku bi a etwa mensunu mu kura ye gata mu atache ne ade bi omu yi ya ye nyina ye nim the public health issues a ebetumi apie cholera edi yade ahodo a saa bola ye gya ne wi se nsuo se to agusu a ye nim de betumi asi but ye jagu ho no mo se Akokoa mesesa so hu wabra ye twa budget diama assemblies no se momfa ni sanitation hu dwuma percentage of mo common fund ne ade ba no se momfa ni sanitation hu dwuma wo mo antumi anya atena waage mampani be ma directives na assemblies mo asore no nipa no ayiwo mu afiri mu pem the citizens of Ghana every woman pemu so omo do Ghana nti oma for mo praye oma for mo esikan asegura aba abedi dwumani bia wie aboa no a de ye ne se bra manfo bebre ye nyina no enane nsemhu enye kwa. That is what we are doing. Bra manfo bebre ye wo mo ese kwa dwuma eja ye na no mi hu se appointee bi akogina car bank bi na wo pam mo sa da na mo mapra na MPs ni bi ni nam krofo fie ade na mo se dem ne di soldiers yi krofo pie so mo mapra. We saw all those things. Na omo bono be prayer na ehu sa enoma we nsem hunu we wo krom. Ewura no a wo mo prayer wo mo di gu hwe gata na sa gu. Enti adwuma cosmetic work ni aye no. Ade we no a yaye no. Ebesa akọ emu na akosi gata no nti ya ampra kura no ananka faso wo so. Senka ya ampra na nka mfaso wo so because ebe ye say die ya ampra kura na nka mfaso wo so. Na Valco flat mamumu Ashaman area ho constituency brabehra de na assembly member we de me pen confidence no because eduru ba bia se wo kan no kura kire pani we no kwanya manimi mani awu tisa me Ashaman ni ba I'm trying to prevent whatever is happening here. Look at the grounds. Since morning, I'm trying to prevent whatever is happening here. Yeah, you go to me, we are 6 feet and we are calling the authorities to come to bring the how do you call it, the truck and whatever to come and take the baller. Up to now, they just do the schemist work. And look at what is happening here. What are now we here? What's our the hook in so to a best of then what is the essence of you do the cleanup exercise? That is a big question. enti clean up exercise na ye no mfaso ben pa na wo so say ye wie na ye beja guo na nsuo to a ebesa piepia kogu gata ni mu asa atwetwe akọ afiefie mu ne ade akosisisisi amena se nsuo fa mu no do ya na mfaso ben pa be rateche pa ya ye ne ya na ye yi ni nyina ne kankan na ye de agu kwam na cars enam so na ye tantan tan. Look at this me say MMDAs no municipal metro and district assemblies me say do no local governance ni e faili and under our governance system no can no pa ne hu here because omo na ben yen and so of course Mampani John Dramani mama can say sanitation issues no o jayama assembly for no ma handle no. I was happy because omo na ben yen omutimi say ye the rubber to ha ye the way to omo community movie but at the end of the day Oma failure. The local assembly has failed us. Oma failure. John Dramani Mama, His Excellency. Task now with the man metro municipal and district assemblies. No, Oma failure in sanitation issues. No, they are penalty auditing sanitation budget. No allocation. They are auditing year because they are not working with that money. Where is the money going? Ewura gu omu empotemu de bia nti se sika no a ye twa for sanitation no a ye de bi ma assembly no de no dis sika ye they must be audited well pa me say auditors no auditor general no apamfo mo ye audit na mo fi mo ni ye pa wo sanitation de nim because most of them are doing nothing about sanitation e wo ba bi omo wo no enso de bia ye say spend this sika no or spend the ye den what exactly is the money being used for? Ye wia se wo hwe a okowachi a na ye bu nkompofhwe auditor general report o ye na nse de ekura ba ye which is misappropriation in 2025 5.2 billion Ghana cedis municipal assemblies no what irregularities sika say ye bobo anu a ye hu ba bi afa ye hu di akoye no 5.27 billion Ghana cedis. Enti me catch say municipal district metro no assemblies no wo mo ye problem a won't ase ya audit omu ye was sanitation allocation ni mu yomu dis kanaye na Mampani free Jubilee House etimi abampotemu abeye cleaning jefa president de ne to so mame Mampani John Dramani mama hwe atecha a tete wa ha atecha a president of the republic free Jubilee House aba krom aba municipal assembly bi jurisdiction aba sisa ewura wi. The president himself, Orie ya na ya jadia kanu agu krom se ensuo nsa nto na entwenko. Mampani ni one Jospon. Ani mpanimfo aka. Look at wo ye cleaning o. Na uti wo se me DC me MC wo sa area ho na wo asaman you know what they say asaman DC no. What they say mo sa papa we Mampani, menya sure say we ready so obey adwuma. Yeah. He's not ready to work. Sa papa we a free mind sepo MC for Asama municipal. Menya sure say we ready so obey adwuma. He's not ready to work. Yeah. He's not ready to work. Because how do you way course wo important na untumi manage obi manfo aba sacrifice one more time am ye dia clean environment na untumi nsesa keke sesa bola ne keke fa firi wo sesa eno so abayasem. What a country are we living in? Na ye wie kura baby e sadi bola nso kura no e se koguo no go to adwoso jeff adwoso de ne to so mame say bad poor planning ye nyehwe so Buankra inland port side wono hwe bola efie na wo hui residential area omusisi adan ho ne ye say ho ne ye koye na landfill site ye de bola Jesus Christ just to be a wo hu udwene ho a wonti ase. And the environmental health officer who just municipal, what advice did you give to the DC and all the MC and all the other mo decide they say hana mo de bola be kwakugu. Yes, the hospital be ben hone ade. Let's listen to the guy.
Nhyira FM.
Paying for Midlanam Church and Ghana paying for Church, baby,
Chris Obuankre Lamport, baby, ye port from Emanyami Hospital, Ewo, ye side here, if ye ebimbe area Hanamete. Now, we have Bola Buhaya, a just municipal for no, I'm the Bola baby Buha. Some when your baby from Gua just so. I'm the free, I just told Hannah, your house, a new site, hospital near. Companies like I said, a young social that
high tension as in Yakoka and MC say, I high tension as an idea assassin and you'll be idea. Now, you say MC said, high tension, I have a copen or we should high tension. I would do our sign.
Right, I take this thing as a allegation because Jerry Nasanti dear, I don't expect this thing from you. Say no cra. Honorable, many wedding komo ha, Jerry Nasanti. Say ye pa say ensuo no ben ho. Ensuo no ben ho. Me de adan ne de mahu say adan sisi wo. And I don't expect say ye de landfill side baby a ye beto ball agu akọ hipu ne kese be ko baby ankrofo te. Wo hwe video na Jeff Safa video ne breme. Wo hwe video na adan ne wo ho no e ben ho. Ko wadim kakra na ye hu dan no e ben ho ball ani ni e dan ni. Ede ne pese ye no. Ye planning bibia che say basa. Me say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, your local governance system is failing. Is failing. Ye bibi. Se obe reshuffle nkrofo so obe ye because they take sanitation allocations fund no sika no eko nyese enko. Ye wo drip tracks ye sisi wo. Enti bola na egu kwa ni mu na egu gata no egu wa yeden. Ebinum kra wo back ho yi bi sa as excavator yi nketo yi a yi bi bo akiri ubetumi dia asom na nsa no udi som anu asa bola yi na dia egu track ni mu akoto egu ba bi pa ba ye jani nyina na egu kwa mu. Some of the MCs and DCs no ese wo reshuffle wo mo. Most of them are not working. Enye fe seeing all these things, the public health situations and check cholera ba na fe no so ha ka sika ye de baby before no ye de koye cholera ho adwuma na che say ye de bebre. Are we serious as a country? Are we serious? But I just de no me ami aba Jerry monre na mon relocate because that place residential emwa relocate that particular site. We can have 50 days, 100 days national sanitation exercise by your senior by leadership acting responsibly. And that's my take on the issue. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, your local governance is failing. That's my words for you.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5 FM.